Hey everyone, welcome back to AZP Reviews, where we make home and kitchen decisions easier, one product at a time. Today, we're diving into the best adjustable food processors, perfect for anyone who loves to cook, chop, slice, and save time in the kitchen. Let's jump right in. Number 1, KitchenAid 13-cup food processor. This KitchenAid 13-cup food processor is a real multitasker. With a large 13-cup capacity and a 500-watt motor, it handles everything from slicing veggies to kneading dough. I especially love the exact slice disc. It lets you control the thickness with just a twist. Plus, the snap and go bowl and in-bowl storage keep cleanup and organization super easy. Pros: big capacity, versatile, adjustable slicing, and easy to clean. Cons: it's a bit heavy and mostly plastic, so not for very hard ingredients. Overall, a fantastic, reliable kitchen companion. Number 2, Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap 8-cup food processor. This one is all about simplicity. The stack and snap design means no tricky twisting or locking, just stack and go. I love the built-in bowl scraper. It keeps ingredients moving without stopping to scrape the sides. The adjustable slicing and reversible shredding disc make it perfect for quick meal prep. Pros: easy to use, built-in scraper, and spill-resistant bowl. Cons: smaller 8-cup size and a moderate 450-watt motor. Still, it's ideal for everyday cooking and small families. Number 3, Cuisinart 14-cup food processor. This Cuisinart is a true classic, powerful, durable, and made for big batches. With a 720-watt motor and a stainless steel bowl, it can handle everything from dough to sauces. The extra-large feed tube means less pre-cutting and cleanup's a breeze. Pros: strong motor, large capacity, stainless steel build. Cons: only one speed and no adjustable blades. If you cook for a crowd, this one's built to last. Number 4, KitchenAid 5-cup food chopper. For smaller kitchens, the KitchenAid 5-cup food chopper is such a handy little tool. It chops, purees, and even whips cream with its whisk accessory. The drizzle basin is perfect for making dressings, and the cord storage keeps your counter tidy. Pros: compact, easy to clean, versatile, and dishwasher safe. Cons: limited capacity and only 2 speeds. A great pick for quick everyday prep. Number 5, Breville BFP 638 Paradise 9-cup food processor. Finally, the Breville Paradise 9-cup. This one feels professional right out of the box. It's compact but powerful, with a quiet 625-watt induction motor. I love its color-coded accessories and onboard storage. So organized. The Paradise kit makes dicing super easy, and everything's dishwasher safe. Pros: durable stainless steel build, powerful motor, precise dicing. Cons: a little heavy, and yes, it's a bit pricey. But if you want restaurant-level precision at home, this one's worth it. So there you have it, the best adjustable food processors for every kind of home cook. Whether you're meal prepping for one or cooking for a crowd, there's a perfect match here. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest kitchen gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!